Guys, tonight is the night before tropical storm Debby. And we have a beautiful rainbow the night before and a beautiful sunset over there. Say hi to the camera, Mom.
Hi.
Beautiful sunset with a beautiful rainbow. The rainbow is so pretty. And just those clouds over there. That's gonna be a tropical storm coming. And all these streets are gonna be flooded. Maybe tomorrow I'll make a YouTube video about how flooded. It might be so flooded that we might get like the kayak. We might bring out the boogie board.
Wow. Hi. We were looking at the sky.
Look at the fellow pedestrians just walking
He's doing
by.
a YouTube video.
Oh, hi.
And yeah, that's about it. And I'll show you all the flooding, all the 20 inches of rain we're getting tomorrow. Bye, Mom.